Hello, friends. The human psychological world is as deep, scientific, complex, and research-based as it is, but applying psychological tips in real life is many times easier and far more interesting. So, friends, today we are going to share such powerful psychological tricks with you that you can apply in your real life from today itself and make your life easier. And after knowing them, you will not remain the same person as before. 1. The point and hold eye contact for a satisfactory answer. If you ask someone a question and their answer doesn't feel right, maybe you sense they're lying or hiding something, just look into their eyes for a few seconds without saying a single word. Stay silent and hold your gaze until they speak. When you maintain eye contact, the other person feels pressure to break the silence, and most people end up revealing the truth because they think you've already figured it out. Not everyone can handle strong eye contact, so they escape it by telling you what they were hiding. 2. Want to find out who's watching you? Sometimes you feel someone is staring at you, but you can't figure out who. Whenever this happens, simply yawn. Yawning is contagious. The person who was watching you will also start yawning without realizing it, and you'll know instantly who was looking. 3. Less choices equals better decision. We think more options help us choose better, but psychology says the opposite. In a famous study, 24 jam varieties were displayed one day and only 6 the next day. The day with more options had fewer sales. The day with fewer options had 2 to 3 times more sales. More choices confuse the brain, increase stress, and delay decisions. So keep your options limited. Ideally, just 2. 4. Eye color trick for instant charisma. Eye contact matters a lot in communication. Too little eye contact seems suspicious. Too much feels intimidating. To maintain perfect eye contact, simply notice the color of the person's eyes. Whether you actually care about their eye color or not doesn't matter. While looking, you naturally create ideal eye contact. 5. Request in person for better results. If you really need help from someone, don't call or text. Ask in person. When someone sees you standing in front of them, they are psychologically more likely to say yes. Face-to-face connection builds trust and emotional bonding that a phone call can't create. 6. Train your brain to stop procrastination. If there's something you're delaying, think about that task before sleeping. Visualize the entire process: how you'll do it, when you'll do it, and how long it'll take. When you complete the task in your mind first, your brain becomes familiar with it, making the real task easier the next day. 7. To reduce nervousness. Before a speech, interview, or date, chew gum. Studies show students who chewed gum before exams performed better, because chewing reduces cortisol, the stress hormone. Less stress equals better confidence and performance. 8. Reduce hate by asking for a small favor. If you feel someone dislikes you, ask them for a small favor, like a pen. If they refuse immediately, they genuinely don't like you. But if they agree, their brain starts thinking, maybe this person isn't that bad. Doing a favor softens negative feelings and builds subtle trust. 9. Put yourself in a good mood. If you're feeling low, simply smile. Even a fake smile tricks the brain into releasing happy chemicals. Hold a smile for just 5 seconds. You'll feel an instant lift in your mood. 10. Write down your thoughts. Writing about painful emotions reduces stress and strengthens your mind. When you try to force your brain to forget something, you remember it more. But when you write, your thoughts become clearer, easier to understand, and less painful over time. 11. Remember everyone's name to be popular. People love hearing their own name. If you remember someone's name and use it next time, You instantly become more likable. It makes the other person feel special and valued. 12. The 5-second rule to get things done whenever you don't feel like doing something important. Count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and start. This rule, created by Mel Robbins, switches your brain from procrastination mode to action mode. For example, if you're too lazy to go to the gym, count to 5, stand up, wear your shoes, and go. Once you start, the rest becomes easy. 13. Learn better by teaching. The best way to remember something is by teaching it to someone else. When you teach, your brain organizes information in a simpler, clearer form, which improves memory and understanding. 14. Use colors to be more productive. Your environment greatly impacts productivity. Modern psychology suggests using more blue to improve focus, creativity, and overall performance. Combining blue and orange creates an energetic atmosphere that boosts mood and motivation. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.